correct. This was on the same day. I scaled and then the price just drops, like drops. The power of scaling is one of the greatest and unappreciated skill of a trader and an investor. I made $11,000 on one trade because I had my best setup happen twice. In this video, I'm going to break down the whole trade. I'm going to show you how I identify and how I execute trades on my account, and at the end of the video, I will show you the results on my account. So enough talking, let's get right into it. All right, I'm gonna walk you guys through the trade. So basically, I started trade on the daily chart. So this is the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Okay, this was the daily chart. This was 25th, I think. Yeah, this was 25th. Okay, so basically on this daily chart, I can first of all, this whole big thing right here. This is an accumulation. So when I see this, I know this is an accumulation. This is in daily too. So you see the accumulation. It comes over here, gets to this other block right here, bounces on this one, and goes back. Comes back up to this space. You know, people call it fair value gaps. I call it just inefficiencies. So yeah, basically that's the daily chart. So from the daily chart, I know, okay, I'm trying to go bearish on this pair. Okay, from the daily chart now, I go to the 4 hour chart. So I open the 4 hour chart. First thing, yeah, I see this. This is an accumulation, but like on the lower time frame. Price goes down, price drops, comes back. Again, same thing. Fair value gap, inefficiency, imbalance, comes back to this imbalance, drops again, it accumulates one more time, and drops again. Okay. So when it drops, where is the potential reversal point? This other block right here. So I had this other block marked, as you can see right now. But the price didn't come over here. It came and then it dropped. This is sell side liquidity, took it, dropped. And from here, it really left me with two options. I was either expecting it to come back to this other block before dropping, or stays on this other block. Now, this liquidity is what I like the most right here on this chart. This liquidity tells me there's a strong chance for price to come over and take back the liquidity. So I'm like, it can come and get the liquidity, or I can just wait for it to come back to this zone. So I go down again in the lower time frame and I say this. This is the 30-minute chart, okay? I see this on the 30-minute chart. I see the uh, yeah. So on the 30-minute chart, this is a little like a lower time frame accumulation. This right here represents this huge thing here. So when I come over here and I see again a lot of liquidity on this, a lot of liquidity downside, a lot of liquidity, and I see this. The price has comes back. The price has come back on this other block, this huge other block right here. Touched it, went down. It hasn't break through. It hasn't break structure yet. But when I see all this liquidity right here, price comebacks, takes liquidity up, gets in this little other block. For me, that's a sign. That's a sign to get in the trade. That's a sign to go bearish because of all this liquidity right here, and on the bigger time frame, all this liquidity right here. So I get in the trade. I got my auto field at this point. I got my auto field like at this point, and yeah, from this point, I get failing. Boom, the trade starts going. I usually take 1 to 5 profit target. So the price come back, doesn't touches my TP, but that's fine. You know, I'm not even looking at the chart right now. I just leave the price to do what it has to do. So Once again, I realized this. This is my A plus setup. All this liquidity on the downside. This is my A plus setup. This is exactly the same setup as the one above in the bigger time frame, and exactly as the one even bigger right here on the bigger time frame. So I say this, I'm like, wait a minute, this is an opportunity for me to scale. And there's a very nice order block right here. So I'm buying my order block, wait for the liquidity to be taken. Once it gets taken, I get feeling, and I'm in a trade. So that's what happened. All this liquidity get taken up at this point. Boom. When I'm at this point, I know you gotta take the shot, take this trade. This is the order block. Boom. I get feeling right here. And now the price drops because price has to take this liquidity. So you combine the fact that it has to take liquidity on the lower time frame, plus on the bigger time frame, plus on the higher time frame. That is what gives you like confidence that okay, this trade, this is an A plus setup. So I take the trade. That's a I took the big trade and then I scaled. This was 25th March, if I remember correctly. This was on the same day. I scaled and then the price just drops, like drops. So yeah, have my TP touch. Price keeps going down. I'm out. So this is five. This the first trade gave me 5 hours. The second trade gives me another 5 hours. So basically that's 10 hour. But but yeah, I usually trade like 1,000. That was on a 100K account, so each risk is 1 R, which is 1%, which is 1K. So basically, this is 5K plus 5K. Now I had 11K because I didn't have a TP for this one because I knew the price could go really down. But when I came over on my computer, when I had the trade right in front of me, it was around somewhere here. So I closed it at 11. Basically, that's what happened. Yeah. So that's the P&L. So yeah, you can see right here. This is a statistic for the account I was trading because I'm trading. I was trying to pass an account because I have a goal to reach $1 million in prop funding. So this is a 100K account. I just passed with that one trade. You can see here it says 14K left because my balance was 14 at this point. You can see my starting balance. Today's starting balance was $104. So plus 11 or plus 11. That makes plus 10. Yeah, that makes this. And this takes us to the end of the video. So yeah, I'll post this trade in my Discord for free. Yeah, if you're a trader with an account, you can take my live trades because I post on this channel like the one I took right now. On this YouTube channel I usually post it like 1 day or 2 days after the trade because I have to record and everything and edit. But I posted live on my Discord, so you can join my Discord for free. You can have my trades with me. We can trade together. You can join my free Discord where you can take these trades live with me. I share trades before I take them on my Discord, so it's free. You have nothing to lose basically. So join in and let's do this together. So yeah, that was the breakdown of the my best A plus setup. As you can see, it's straightforward. It's not as complicated. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.